All right, we're going to replace this start button. First thing you want to do is make sure you unplug the machine.
Get our 1/4 inch socket, put it in reverse.
Removing 3 control panel screws on the back of the machine.
Got it.
To detach the control panel, you're going to push it to the right.
So I'll show you. See, it slides in there. See how that little lip is there in each one of those?
Next, you're going to remove 2 bolts that hold down the motherboard with a 5/16 socket.
I think I can do that one with my fingers. Okay, we'll set that there. Now this should slide out of here. You see that? I should be able just to pop it out like that. There we go. Now let's flip it over. Let's just pop this one out, right? So I just gotta pull it like that. You can see it's a mess, right? So here's our new one, right? And so this is just gonna go through there, just like that. And some of it, I'm not getting it all through. Oh, there we go. Okay, I think I got it.
All right, start button looks good. Now we've got to put the motherboard back in. There's 3 slots on the bottom. Just going to match it up and slide it in. Next, insert your screws and ratchet them down.
Let's get this one. Seems to be in there. I think this is in there good. Have to slide in here, here, and here. But you've got to get all your wires in. So we're going to lift it up like this, right? And then we're going to slide it down. We're just going to set it like that first, just to make sure the wires are all pushed in, right? Then I'm going to drop it down in, and I'm just going to push it over. And that's it. Done. Now let's put our ratchet to it, right? Let's get it tightened down. It's hard to do it backwards. All right, that seems to be good. Then we just got to plug it in and test it. And now we just got to wash some clothes and see if it works.